when we are trying to conceive, but there are times when baby dancing feels like more of a chore and affects the quality of sex. I worry it will affect intimacy. So the focus on trying to have a baby kills the sex life.
Yeah, it's right.
Yes, it's right.
It's true.
The more you want to focus on having sex to have a child, the more stressful.
Performance anxiety.
Performance anxiety. I think my best advice, I think we encountered this also because we were childless for almost 11 years. And I was imagining when I was going through my fertility treatment, I was saying, okay, tonight you must do it. It doesn't happen. So what we do is actually we decide to let this go and take care of our health. I started exercising. I started to learn swimming. We focus on being healthy, spending time together. A lot of couples, when they stop focusing in being pregnant, they actually get pregnant. They just enjoy their life, and have a better lifestyle. Exercise, health, eat better food. Of course, it's important to actually, if after 3 years of marriage and you're not pregnant, the common advice is that you must go for a medical checkup to find out what are the issues. Sometimes it can be simple as having some folic acid. I think Lamia can say more about this, also in this line.
Yes, I was just going to type that actually that what you were saying is true. A lot of the time, I find that a lot of my patients, they become pregnant whilst they're waiting on the waiting list for IVF. So they've had the investigations, they've been stressed. Somebody has then said, okay, we can't find a cause, but we're suggesting IVF. And then whilst they're waiting, they almost relax. So they relax, the stress levels go down, and then they become pregnant before they get their IVF. So yes, stress plays a big role.
While we were childless, I remember my ustads, he gave one interesting point of view. What God gives is far better than what you can even imagine to ask for. So instead of worrying whether you have a child or you don't have a child, you should take the opportunity to make use of your situation. And actually for 11 years, in retrospect, we didn't plan it. We did establish quite good contacts working with youth, and they've been quite helpful in our old age.
So we got our first book, 20 Hard, A Guide to Marriage, because we were like childless and we had time. I couldn't write this book if I had a child. Yeah, so we
not that the child was troublesome.